Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's vlog, we make avocado shake. First, drop ice cube 200 grams, 1 piece avocado, sugar 50 grams, then milk 250 grams. And that's all guys for our ingredients in avocado shake. And then, after that one, we blend now. So you open our blender. And then blend. See, put in a high quality, first low, then high quality, so that our cube ice will grind properly and mix together with our avocado shake. So let's wait a minute guys, maybe 1 minute or seconds only, until that cube ice will grind properly. So guys, ito na, hahanguin na natin yung ating avocado shake. Na mix na siya lahat, okay na lahat. Titikman na natin konti kung masarap na ba siya. Pag hindi pa sakto yung lasa guys, pwede nyo i-add sugar konti. Pero pag okay naman, okay lang guys. Pag okay naman, diretso na natin ilagay sa ating glass. Yan po yung ating glass sa ating avocado shake. Yan, ready to serve na po yan. Sulit yan guys, masarap talaga yan, purong avocado yan. That's all guys, ang ating vlog for today, avocado shake. Masarap siya. Thank you so much for watching. So may natirang konti guys, ating tikman. Natatakam ako, ang sarap. Yummy. Sobrang sarap. Thank you guys. Babu.